We've got lots in store today. We're going to be making banana nut bread. So exciting. If you would please take a moment to vigorously whip the like button for more great content to come. And don't go anywhere. We're starting in 5 seconds. All right, so we've got our ingredients here. I've got about 2½ cups of flour, ripe bananas, and then over here, brown sugar. And then I've got nuts, but nuts are optional in your recipe. You don't necessarily have to have them, but I love them very much. So I got both pecans and walnuts. Egg, cinnamon for garnish, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and butter. So exciting, spirit fingers. All right, so we've got about 2½ cups of flour, about 4 to 6 overly ripe bananas, brown sugar, nuts. Nuts are optional. I like them very much. So I got both walnuts and pecans, but you can use either or none at all. Cinnamon sticks for garnish, 2 eggs. We're going to use about a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, about a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. And then here is our regular cinnamon. This recipe actually calls for the creaming method. So I'm going to first take my egg, so what creaming does, it makes the bread much lighter and fluffier, and I'm going to mix these two together. With this method, we're using the creaming method. So basically, I took the eggs and the butter, and I'm just going to cream these two together. What it does for the banana bread is it actually creates a more light and fluffy consistency and a little bit more aeration to make it taste oh so good. All-purpose flour, which for this demonstration I actually am not, but if you are, there's no need to actually add, just a side note, to add any baking powder to it because it already has it in the flour. All right, so I'm going to take our brown sugar and just dump all of that in there. Okay, yeah, it's stuck. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll take our cream mixture, put it inside. And our overly ripe bananas. Just dump that in there. Awesome. I want to save these until after I do the blending, and we'll be right back for that. I have a previously oiled muffin pan set to go, and I had a funny thought when I was about to, what gave me the idea for this recipe is I go to like the local produce, like locally sourced produce places like farmers markets, things like that, and I get so gung-ho about the fruits and vegetables that I buy. And unfortunately, the back of my refrigerator is where fruits and vegetables come to die. So don't throw out those brown bananas just yet because they're perfect for the best, most juicy, delightful banana nut bread. And again, these recipes are not the be-all, end-all. Make it your own. develop your taste. If there's something that I try and you want to substitute something, live it out. Do it. Cooking is actually very fun. I enjoy it a lot, which I'm glad to see that you're here as well. All right, muffin pan complete. Now, let's put them in the oven. All right, our muffins are done, and we are raring to go. All right, we're coming at the end now here. All right, again, as I explained before, plating is like my absolute favorite thing to do. So I picked up this little gondola in my shopping ventures the other day, and thought that this would make a beautiful, beautiful presentation for these. All right, so we're just going to take our muffins. As you can see, they easily come out. Non-stick pans are definitely the way to go here, just because whenever you're using, it probably wouldn't work with a pan where everything sticks, especially with these because they're very moist. Very, very moist. All right, I'm just going to put that on there. Have a really great look going. And then I'm going to take these here just for a little contrast. Stick that over there like so, and hit it with a couple of sprigs of garlic. I'm sorry, mint. Woohoo! Voila. And these are good for like dishes for get-togethers, dinner parties. You can dress them up. You can even ice them if you want. Again, these recipes are not the be-all, end-all, so you can just make it your own any way you choose. Cooking is an adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. And if you would please take the time to vigorously whip the like button and subscribe for more great content to come. Don't forget to do that. And we've got a lot of great recipes coming up. So exciting. This is a new channel. And as you subscribe, we shall grow. And we completely honor and thank you in that, because it is our passion. All right. Have an amazing rest of the day. And be kind. Be caring. You never know. You may be entertaining an angel. Have an auspicious day. Bye-bye.